What's up guys, welcome back. Today we are installing a CTS tuning intake system for our stock 2012 Audi S4. We're just gonna dive into this. We don't have any instructions or anything like that. Intakes aren't that difficult. It's probably like a 2 out of 5 on the difficulty scale. So this particular Audi S4 is, like I said, it's stock. It's got these stock air boxes you can see here. So what we're gonna do first is remove the stock air box, and then we will guide you guys along installing the aftermarket CTS tuning one. So let's do this. All right, so from the looks of it, I already took this guy off by hand. It just unclipped from here. And then from there, it looks like we have some Torx bits up top to take the top of the air box off. And then we have just a couple of hose clamps here that we need to loosen via a flathead screwdriver, and then everything should come apart.
So we pull the old air intake out. When you pull the intake out, there's 2 rubber pieces that you gotta remove. Make sure that these come off of here. They attach to this piece right here, and they go in like this. So when you eventually do go to install, they'll click down in there and hold this down securely. On to the next step. So right now we're just kind of mocking it up. We're putting all the rubber fittings on, making sure everything sits in there right. Got some of the pieces put together. Again, there's no instructions for this, so we're just kind of deciding, you know, how this thing goes together. But it's pretty straightforward.
All right guys, well, we're finished, we believe. So we got the new intake on. As you can see, it looks very beautiful, very clean compared to the rest of the vehicle, but we'll take care of that. Very, very simple install. I honestly probably move it down to a 1 out of 5. Honestly, it was very, very easy. We did it without any instructions or anything like that. Very basic knowledge of mechanics stuff. But this is the old intake system. As you can see here, it had the top of the air box. It'll probably breathe just a little bit easier. You might get a few more horses out of it. But what I'm really, really hopefully excited for is that we can finally hear that supercharger whine. We're gonna get some footage of this thing whining and grinding, so.
Are you satisfied?
I'm satisfied. 5 out of 5 on the Richter scale.
I don't think that's how the Richter scale works.
That's the way I'm saying it works. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Go get yourself an intake if you have one of these cars. Thank you again so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We out!